If we were to fly Charlie inside, by the time he's gotten up to any speed, he'd crash into a wall, which wouldn't be very good. So we have to fly these guys inside only. Outside only, sorry, not inside only. That would be very bad.
Yeah.
Did you just get your mind wrong?
Pardon?
Did you just get your mind wrong?
Exactly. That is the best thing I've heard all day. Did I get my mind wrong? You stand on there, so if we stand on the edge of the curb and we fall down it, we might hurt ourselves. I know, Charlie, it's windy. There you go. Oh dear.
That time it was my mouth.
It's just a little person. It's like a big person, but it's
Yay, there he is.
a little closer.
Oh.
On he goes.
So
There
Jack,
you go.
you got it. You got it.
Perfect now. See, Charlie will sit there quite happily. Just in case he was a bit nervous getting on. Well, Charlie. Okay, now Charlie had something quite cool for his tea. He had quail, so a bit different to what we've seen so far today being eaten. But quail's a superfood because Charlie can eat a lot of it, but it doesn't do much to his weight. Okay,
What's that red stuff on his beak?
part of his dinner. He's not a very cleanly eater. He doesn't use a napkin to clean his face afterwards like we do.
Why don't you?
Pardon?
Why don't you do it?
Well, if we did it, we'd lose fingers if we tried to clean Charlie's face. His bite is very powerful. Okay, even though the dangerous part of vertebrae is their feet, you still don't want to get anywhere near that beak.
Looking at you, little man. Looking at you, Jack.
Hey, you didn't think you'd be doing half of this stuff today, did you, when you came here? I thought you'd be like a few little piddly owls and you'd be done.
Piddly owl.
Good.
He's ace.
There we go. Right then, should we ever swap over? Do you want to go next?
You're going, she's got it.
Do you want to hold Charlie by yourself? You just hold on to those little leather bits. 1, 2, 3, there you go.
What's up, guys?
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Say what's up, guys.
No, I can't.
What's up, guys? I'm here with Charlie. He's a bird.
Does bird things like eat food?
Eat food.
Goes to the toilet.
What sort of bird is he? Do you remember?
No.
Is it Gyr Saker?
Gyr Saker.
Gyr.
GYR/SAKER. So Gyr Saker. Everybody has their own pronunciation of it. It was actually on Spring Watch. I think Chris Packham did a section on what you call it. I think it was him that did it. And it was like you can call it a Gyr, a Gaia, whatever you want to pronounce it really. It's just GYR.
That means cheer.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cold. Maybe Charlie
There we go.
finds it.
You know, the fastest bird is the blah blah because it can go this fast in a straight line.
Yeah.
A lot of people like to joke the fastest bird in the mud is actually the pigeon because when it's 5 foot in front of a peregrine, it's definitely going to be going after over 240 miles an hour. Oh, just hold on to her. She'll sit back up. Tia is one of our little kestrels. So she is a European kestrel. You jump back over onto me. Do you want to have a hold again? Yeah. Okay. So Gyr is a Tia, sorry, is a common European kestrel. Turn around the right way.
Oh dear.
That's my hand you've jumped onto there, Tia. Thank you very much.
Take his hand away.
Tell you what, if I've got to have it there because if she jumps back over to me, I don't want her to fall on the floor. Okay, if we face her into the wind, she'll probably sit in it. The wind is your friend as a falconer, but also your biggest enemy. Okay, so for her, kestrels are the only type of falcon that can do a true hover. So when you see them in the air in the same place perfectly, that is a kestrel. Okay, and the difference between male and a female is a grey cap on their head.
Can we stroke this one?
Definitely not.
Why?
Because generally the rule of thumb is birds of prey don't really like to be touched. A lot of people hand raise their birds and they tend to not mind as much, but it's more along the lines of when we stroke them we take off helpful layers on their feathers which then keep them waterproof and fly well. That's also, a lot of animals just don't like being touched because of their personality as well.
Why do they have that bell thing?
Because if Tia flies off and we can't see her and she starts flying towards us when we can't see her, we want to know where she is, so that bell tells us where she is. Okay?
Good question, yourself, man. Well done.
It's an amazing question.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to...
That was the best question you've had.
What's the best question I've heard? The funniest one, if you want the funniest one, is can birds fart? And the answer is no. I had to Google that. Okay, they don't have the digestive system designed to fart, so it just comes out when they go to the toilet. Okay, so you won't hear one of our owls let one off. Okay.
Hi, bud.
Hi.
That's the funniest question I think I've been
Hi,
asked.
guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
It was quite close though to what happens if a bird's head comes off, and that's quite hard to explain to a 5-year-old.
I'm 7.
Well, it'd be easier to explain to you then. But for the little boy that asked me, it was quite hard. Okay.
Nice. Tears got cute.
There we go.
Yeah.
And